Royal Doulton Camelot porcelain china from late 20th century. Got the dates of Camelot production. It was produced for quite a long time and a popular pattern for Royal Doulton. This is the gravy boat and saucer set. Lovely, broad, classic shape for Royal Doulton. Nicely decorated with the Camelot design in the sort of autumnal colours. There's the classic lion and crown Royal Doulton marks with Camelot TC1016, copyright Doulton & Co Limited. On the base, it's in fine condition, no wear on this at all. The gilt decoration's in fine condition. The saucer plate, again, hardly a scratch on it, and the gilt around the outside in very nice bright condition, as is all the glaze. So no condition notes on either of these two pieces in the set. Very nice bright glaze reflection and good gilt retention, a lovely thing. Quite often these aren't available as full sets. You'll see the gravy boat and the saucer plate. People don't recognise what the saucer plate or saucer for this set was, but this is the combined two-piece set that we're selling from the Vintage and Antiques website. So if you've got a Camelot dinner service and you've broken either of these, or you're looking to add to them with this very attractive bulbous bottomed large gravy jug or boat, we've got this one available in fine condition from the Vintage and Antiques website on the link below. Thanks for watching.